Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillify. Today we'll be covering all about the draw tab. Now, usually people ignore this draw tab because they think it's not of that much use. But let me just show you the most usable thing we can do by the help of draw tab. Now, there are 99% chances that some of you might not have this draw tab on your screen. To get that, what you can do is simple. Click on any of the other tab. Don't click, just keep your cursor on that. Just press right from your mouse, and then you'll have an option as customize the ribbon. Click on this, and then it will lead you to this type of window. On the right hand side you have the name of your tabs. From there just search out for the draw tab. Okay, so right now I have this draw tab over here, so that in your case will be unchecked. Just checked it and just click press on OK, and that you'll have the draw tab on your screen. Now let's see how exactly a draw tab works. The very first scenario is to do the signature. The very significant way is to, let's say I have just, let me just sign it this way, and I can, that thing will just get converted into a shape. Okay, now right now you see that this is an ink. I can just draw something this way, and that thing I can just use as a shape or something, right? So this is again something requirement based thing. If you have to put some signature on your documents, on your files and all, in that scenario, so you can just use it. So to just go back to the pointer, I can click on it. Now my pointer is back. If I click on it, it's a complete shape, right? You can see it that this is a shape because I am getting a tab associated with it at a shape format. If I click on this one, again, I will be getting a shape format tab. So if I have to make any changes into the shape, I can just do by the help of this area. Some of these options are not available. The reason is because I have drawn this particular shape, right? I can just increase or decrease the size. Now let's say I want to check out how exactly this ink has been, like how a person has drawn, or let's say they did this signature. So I want to just check out how actually I made the signature. So what I can do is I can click on this ink replay. If I click on it, you'll see that exactly it will show me how exactly I have drawn anything, right? If I again, let me just show you again. If I click on it, it will show you this is the way actually your cursor or pencil was working, right? Now next thing can be, I can just delete it. I can select it and delete it this way, right? And then these are the drawing tools. Again, you can just select the different markers. You can just select, if you click on it, you'll have the drop down. You can change the color. You can just change the thickness of your this marker, basically the pencil. Okay. Now, let's say you have drawn something over here. Let's say anything, okay, random, and now you have to select it. First of all, it is automatically is a shape right now, but you have a specific, you want to draw a specific shape and made it as a selection. So for that you have this tool, okay, that is lasso select. So if you click on it, and you can just draw a shape this way in order to select it, okay, this way. So now it is just your small rectangle over here, right? Again, if I, what I can do is simple. You can see that I can just move it here and there, anywhere, right? Anywhere. I made this selection. So this is the way how exactly your Lizo selection works. Okay, now if I move further with the uses of draw tab, that is, if you are inserting, you want to insert something specific. For example, you can see that you have drawn something by the help of ink, and that get converted into shape. We have seen that. Now you are typing something, or let's say you are just drawing some shapes, some elements, and that will be converted into the something relatable to math. It could be a math function, equation and all. Let's see how it works. You click on it, you'll have a small dialog box in front of you. So what you can do is just, you have to write it. Let's say I want to put a formula. So I'll write A. You'll see the preview over here. I have A square, right? So now it is coming as D. Why? Because I need to just be very specific with it, right? Let me just try again. So A is there, A square is there. Yes, then plus sign will be there. Okay, and then I will draw B, and then I will draw square. So it is not taking it properly. So basically what I'm saying is simple. You can just, what you can do is simple. Yes, we can just make it B square now. Yes, write it, and then let's say I'm putting again the plus sign. Now I want to make it 2AB. right? Now what is the problem? Now you can see that this is complete equation. That is basically when we have a plus b, there's a formula for a plus b and whole square. I can just insert it, and that will get inserted into a specific area. I can just increase the size and all, right? I can just make any changes into it. This is actually a shape in which we have a mathematical expression. So this is the way, these are the things you can do. So I have showed you. So for that, we have in the insert tab, we have we have made a separated video on the insert tab, right? In that we have covered these equation part. But this is something which is the part of customization. If you don't have any standard video, sorry, if you don't have any standard equation, you can just draw it for yourself, right? So that you can do by the help of draw tab. So that's all about the draw tab. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, and I'll just hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt and any specific requirement, just put that into the comments below, and we will be resolving it. Thank you so much.